the Community Research course. My name is Martin Bell. I'm just going to give you a very quick tour of the website here because you might not be familiar with Moodle. It might be the first time you've ever done some online learning. So the whole idea of this is that you get an idea roughly of what this looks like and where you should be looking. And it will be a bit confusing to start off with, but what I suggest you do is just listen to this, have a tinker around on the screen, and see exactly how far you get. Now, just first of all, the most important thing is on the top here. If you have a look at my cursor, you have a crumb tray there. On the right-hand side, you'll have CR1. Now, this actually links into all of the different things. There's a record of all the places you've been to on Moodle, and the course is actually CR1. So wherever you get to, wherever you think, oh, hang on, how can I get back? If you click on CR1, then that will be the link for you to get back to this, which is the main site screen, the home page, so to speak. And the screen is divided up into three sections. There's this one, there's this one, and there's that one. Now this one here is really about the course administration. It's not really that interesting for you other than perhaps the profile settings, because you can change the profile settings. So if I click on here, and you can do the same on yours, if you click on edit profile, then you can change information about yourself, share information about yourself, so that anybody who's interested in knowing a little bit more about you can actually click on. In the right-hand side of the screen, you have your learner support sections. So at the top, there are two websites here which you can link to if you want to do a number of things. So this one here, change your computer settings and make your computer just right for you. You can click on that, and that gives you information about how you can change the screen so it suits you. So you can change colours and font sizes and stuff like that. And then at the top there's some stuff about making sure that your information is safe online. Underneath there is a record of all the learners that are online. At the moment, I'm the only one that's registered on the course, so I'm the only one that's there. But hopefully when you get around to doing the course, there will be other people that are online. They might even be online at the same time as you. And if they are, that's an opportunity for you to click on and maybe even have a chat with them. Underneath there's a calendar, and the calendar obviously is a calendar. But in amongst that calendar, there should be some dates which are highlighted, and they will relate to significant things in the course that you're doing. So if there's, say, for example, a deadline that's looming, then if you click on the calendar, then that should come up on the significant dates. At the bottom there are contact details for me. So there's my email address and my telephone number. And news, there is no news that's been posted yet, but hopefully as the course goes on, there will be bits of significant information that you can have a look at. And in the middle of course, there's actually the course content. So whenever you log on, week by week, then you will see week 1 such and such, week 2 such and such. And on here at the moment, all we've got is a welcome from me. We have a video where I say hello, basically, and then we have a news section which features news, believe it or not, about stuff that you should be doing for that week. There are things which are to be used throughout the course. There's a news forum in there where things will be posted, information will be posted. There's a cafe area where people can share information, and if you click in there are a couple of icebreaker activities for you to do, just so that you can share your information and answer a few questions about you and the research you're doing, etc., etc. And in there's a wiki. Now the wiki features various different questions that you might be confused about, and it will provide you with answers to those questions without having to give me a call or ask anybody else on the course. And then finally at the bottom there's a help me forum, and that is if you really haven't got a clue about anything, then you can post a question on there, and hopefully one of your colleagues will know the answer and maybe post the answer to you, or if I read it, then I will post the answer to that as well. So all of those things really are there to assist you to get to know other people on the course, and for you to get answers to the questions that you're maybe not sure about. So those are the things which are there to support you. Now the first thing really that you need to do is this. So once you've had a tinker around and you know roughly what those things are about, you've gone into the cafe area and done the icebreaker, then go straight to the induction section. There is a short introduction to what the course is about. There's a learner agreement for you to sign, and then once you've done that, I think that is more or less it. I don't expect you to be experts, but that should give you a rough idea as to what the Moodle site looks like, and then as the course goes on, then you'll hopefully become much more familiar with Moodle and the things that it can do. That's about it. Don't forget, what you need to do from now is perhaps watch the fabulous video of me. Then after that, go straight to the cafe area to complete the 2 icebreakers, and then work your way through the induction section. And that's it. Have a good time. Enjoy the course. Any problems, don't forget, let me know. Thank you.